Types of software. Hardware cannot work by itself. It needs step-by-step instructions. They are like an army that needs a commanding officer. The software is a commanding officer. It is a set of instructions or programs that tells the hardware what to do and how to do. A program that runs on the computer is called a software. The games that you play and programs that you use to learn interesting things on computer are called software. Examples of software are MS Office, antivirus, Windows Media Player, computer games. There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software. Examples: Windows 10, Ubuntu, Linux, Mac OS X. Application software. Examples: Windows Media Player, PowerPoint, Notepad, Paint. System software. It is a set of programs that controls the operation of a computer. Operating system is a part of system software that makes the computer work. Operating system manages and controls the working of the hardware as well as the software. Let's understand operating system with an example of a motorbike. You have a bike with petrol, but it does not move by itself until you do not drive it. So you are the operator of the bike. In the same manner, a computer is almost a showpiece without an operating system. The operating system drives the computer and makes it work. There are different types of operating system available in the market: Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Operation Support System (OSS). An operation support system (OSS) can be defined as the hardware and software that service providers use to manage network infrastructure, deploy services, and provide connectivity. It enables a service provider to monitor, control, analyze, and manage the services on its network. In general, an OSS covers at least the following 5 functions: network management systems, service delivery, service fulfillment, including the network inventory, activation and provisioning, service assurance, customer care. Utility software. Utility software is system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. It is a type of system software used to support the computer infrastructure. Examples of utility software are antivirus software, backup software, disk tools, defragmentation, scanning, etc. Backup software. Backup software makes copies of all information stored on a disk and restore either the entire disk, example, in an event of disk failure, or selected files, example, in an event of accidental deletion. Backups are an essential part of PC. There are several types of regular backup. Full backup, a copy of all selected data. Differential backup, a copy of the data that has changed or been added since the last full backup. Incremental backup, a copy of the data that has changed since the last backup, whether that was full backup or incremental. Antivirus software scan for computer viruses. Disk fragmenter detect computer files whose contents are scattered across several locations on the hard disk and move the fragments to one location to increase efficiency. Application software. The software that is designed to do a specific job and helps the user as a tool for easy operations is called application software. There are different types of application software available in the market. Customized software. Customized software is a computer program or web application that is specifically designed for a particular purpose, department, or company. Customized software is written and designed to meet the client's specific business processes. It is used in different places like schools, hospitals, shops, etc. Example: Sampurna is a school management system project implemented by the Education Department of Government of Kerala, India, to automate the system and process of over 15,000 schools in the state. This project brings uniformity for the schools. Word processors. Word processing software helps us to write letters, notes, essays, etc. We can easily make changes while typing or even after typing. Microsoft Word, Notepad Writer are some of an examples of such a software. Graphics software. You can create drawings on a computer using graphics software. You can change colors, shades, effects as many times as needed. Paint are examples of graphics software. Some other examples are Photoshop, Corel, Paint, etc. Desktop publishing software. It is used for designing the page with picture and text in a presentable manner. CorelDRAW and PageMaker are examples of desktop publishing software. Multimedia software. Multimedia software allows users to create or edit image, audio, video, etc. Adobe Flash, Adobe Premiere, Nuendo, etc. are the examples of multimedia software.